Yeah, it's pretty bait, not gonna lie. Fuck. Yes, bro. Moon's out too. So sick.
Wow, looks fancy in there. Fucking sick sunset. Just to top it all off, I can see a planet. This is fucking chill, man. The wind is really low right now. There's like almost no wind at all. Time to bounce. Sheesh! Bye bye, Mr. Sun. See you again tomorrow.
Ground fuel. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you.
Okay. I wonder what they're doing. Holy shit. Do you think they're there for me? That's a little bit of a coincidence, do you not think? Oh my days, bro. I got stressed then for a second. I thought they're surely gonna talk to me. I think I picked the perfect time to leave. If anything, maybe a little bit late. Is that another police car outside? Okay, 3 police cars outside the Vantage, none of which were there before I went in the building. Mission fucking success. That could have ended very badly. Did you notice that one of the 3 police cars had a big black strip on the front of it that said Operations Unit or something like that? Oh, the sun's peaking just now. Sheesh. Oh my days, man. Love this roof, man. Thought the video was a little short, so hit it for a sunrise too. Get the combo. Peace.